Okay, so click on your Padlet link. This should be able to record onto a Padlet board, which is like a chalkboard or a clipboard or something we can share into class. Once you get there, it should allow you to sign in with your Google Classroom, your mdusd.net. If you use the camera, it'll take a picture of you or record you saying something. We don't want that actually. I forgot what I was doing for a second. There I am. And then go to upload because you're going to upload your picture that you took during class today. And then grab it, put it where you want it. Oops, can't just grab and drop learning. And then pick the file. Go find your file. And they do have an app for the phone if you want to use this off your phone. Press open. And then once you get it to load, you're going to write your manifesto. I wrote about my picture, so I wanted to write about the different parts in my picture. And I think I wrote something funny like, I need coffee to survive every day, and I need paint, and I need my deodorant because it's gonna be stinky because I'm gonna be stressed out. So I titled it more for me. Make sure you're titling your name so I know who put them in there. More survival kit is what I titled it, and that's it. Once you get done, you're gonna submit that on Google Classroom, and we will look at those next week or this week, end of the week.